Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Payal Chakraborty and today I have done a cut crease eye makeup. So without much further ado, let's get started. At first I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Ivory on my eyelid. Next I am taking this yellow shade and will apply it on my crease with a blending eyeshadow brush. Next I'll be taking this burnt orange shade and will apply it on my crease line. Next I am taking this reddish brown eyeshadow shade and will apply it on my crease line to further deepen it. I am using a tapered eyeshadow brush. Next here I am taking this black eyeshadow shade and will apply it on my crease line as well as on the outer edge. Here I am using the same concealer to cut my crease. I am using a flat brush to cut my crease. I am doing a half cut crease over here. Next I am taking a beauty blender and blending the concealer on my eyes. Next I have taken that reddish brown eyeshadow as well as on the black and blending it on the outer edge. It is very important that you blend your eyeshadows really well for the gradient effect. Next I am taking this shimmery golden eyeshadow shade and applying it on the middle of my eyelids. Next I am taking this light golden shade and applying it on the inner corner of my eye area. Please do not ever forget to blend all the eyeshadows together. Next I am again reapplying the deep golden shade on the middle of my eyelids. Here I am again blending the shimmery shade along with the matte eyeshadow. Next I have taken Lakme Iconic Kajal and applying it on my waterline. Next I am blending the kajal in the lower lash line area. I have again taken the black eyeshadow and applying it on the lower lash line. Next I have taken a highlighter shade and applied it on my brow bone as well as on the inner corners. Here I am blending the highlighter shade with the matte eyeshadow shade. Next here I have drawn a winged liner with a Hilary Roda sketch liner. I have applied my falsies off the camera and I have used mascara which is from Maybelline. This was a short tutorial. If you have liked my video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.